Hi, my dear. Today we are going to recreate a popular snack in my childhood, which is healthy and sweet enough to please the kids' sweet teeth in general. The main ingredient and the only ingredient of today is the sweet potato. I picked the Japanese sweet potato because of the sweet taste and the chewy texture. Of course, when I bought it, it's also on sale. So it became a battle that I won't lose either way. Wash them carefully and then put it into a pot, boil, simmer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, they are ready. Cool it down and peel the skin off. Well, many of the recipes on the network actually call for a dehydrator. The one that we are going to do today doesn't need one. And to me, that is the beauty of today's recipe. All you need is a small oven, or any type of oven for that matter. Now cut the sweet potato into 1 centimeter thick or wide stripe. Don't make it too thin, otherwise it's gonna taste so dry. And then just place all of these 1 centimeter wide sweet potato stripes onto the baking sheet on the plate. In order to make more, I also use the shelf. So the one on the shelf typically dried out a little bit sooner, but to me, I enjoy the different texture there anyways. Put it into oven, and then adjust the temperature to 300 Fahrenheit. Don't make it too hot. And the trick is you jam the door so the air can come out. After 3 hours, the sweet potato turn into golden brown. That means they are ready. Open the door, leave it open for close to 7 or 8 hours to dry it a little bit more. Now you got the chewy, healthy sweet potato jerky to eat for the day and enjoy no added sugar snack. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and support.